Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, I won't waste a lot of time because I am really excited to try this mug pizza. Yes, it's really tempting. I saw a video 2 days back and since 2 days I was waiting to try that, but since I have work from home I literally get messed up with working at home. So today finally I'm going to try. I hope it goes well. And from which video I am taking reference, I'll link that in the description box. इसमें proper recipe दिया रहेगा. But today I am going to try that recipe and I hope it works and it turns out really tasty and yummy, and hope for the best. I'm really looking forward to that. Okay guys, so now we are in the kitchen, and till now obviously you must be really familiar with my kitchen. Now we'll just go into the video and I'll quickly start. Okay, instead of mug I'll be using this bowl because I don't have a mug like typically that kind of mug which has open mouth, and not in short I don't have that kind of mug, so I'll be using this bowl. I have boiled this corn in oven, so I have only these things to put over this. Okay guys, trust me on this, it's really amazing and it's really 1 minute का काम है यार. Shit, 1 minute में हो जाता है. It's really yummy, 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 yummy. I just loved it. You guys should try this. Yes, I'll put the link in the description box. Just definitely just go and have a look on that link. and it's yummy, literally yummy. I didn't have that mozzarella cheese, but normal cheese also works. It's amazing, and the toppings you can do as per your choice. Trust me, it's nice. I would rate 10 on 10. It's amazing. Okay guys, so that was all for today, and this is what I have done in lockdown and in quarantine. Just simple time pass and yummy thing. So do try. Don't forget to share pictures with me on Instagram, and do let me know in the comment section. Will you try? Will you like to try? Do let me know in the comment section. Okay, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And guys, join my YouTube family. We'll have fun. Bye bye.